Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I Hifza Chaima. Today I am going to explain about simple column cash book. Simple cash book, it's one of the easiest topic as I have explained in my previous video. By using journal as well as ledger this problem can be solved. जैसे कि यहाँ पर मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल समझाऊंगी. जैसे कि paid cash to Mr. Mohan. Paid cash to Mr. Mohan. So it will be cash is going out, it will be cash, it will be credit, and Mr. Mohan it will be debit, right? Because Mr. Mohan is a receiver. So आप यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं, Mr. Mohan to cash. So you are going to close cash, and what is the opposite one you used to check in the even in the ledger. The posting was done like that. So यहाँ पर cash जैसे कि Mr. Mohan account to cash, Mr. Mohan is in debit, you are going to post in the credit side. Even in my previous video I have discussed related to this simple column cash book by using journal as well as ledger and inflow and outflow method. But today I am going to explain in today's video where it will be just in method of inflow and outflow. It's very simple. इनफ्लो एंड आउटफ्लो आप बहुत सिंपल सा कर सकते हो. जैसे कि all inflow transactions you are going to take in the debit and all outflow transactions you are going to take in the credit side. Inflow जैसे कि received and sales, it is nothing but inflow transaction you are going to record in the debit side, and all outflow जैसे कि purchase and paid you are going to record in the credit side. Suppose for example you purchase ice cream. So what, like ice cream is coming in, cash is going out. So what is going out, cash is going out, you're going to record in the credit side. If cash is inflow, debit. If cash is outflow, credit. So जैसे कि whenever you paid, as I said, like paid for ice cream. So आपने ice cream purchase ice cream, and when you purchase something, cash it will be out, cash it will be paying. So cash it will be outflow. So and even when you paid something, paid, cash it will be outflow. When you receive, like suppose paid electricity, paid is what, cash it will be going out, credit. Receive rent, so cash it will be what, inflow. And whenever you are selling any item, the cash it will be inflow. So is it clear? Like जैसे कि inflow transactions you're going to record in the debit side, and outflow transaction you're going to record in the credit side. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So cash inflow, debit, cash outflow, credit. Okay, so here without wasting time, so let's start with the topic. So March 1st, Simran commence business with cash. So what will be the transaction? Cash to capital. So you're going to close, because you're preparing a cash book. You're going to close cash which is in debit, and you're going to take the credit one, cash account to capital. Capital is in credit, you're going to post in the debit side to capital, that is nothing but 65,000. Next is nothing but bought goods for cash. Bought, that is nothing but purchase. Then you're going to write March 3rd. But now you have to tell me bought goods for cash, where inflow outflow items, where you're going to record outflow items you're going to record in the credit side. So outflow, that is nothing but bought goods for cash, it is nothing but purchase. You were recording in the cash book as what, purchase account to cash account, right? So here the whenever we purchase goods or bought goods or sold goods, we were not taking as goods. जर्नल एंट्रीज में हम क्या करते थे, वी नॉट यूज टू टेक एज गुड्स. सो इसी तरीके से यहाँ कैश बुक में यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेंशन एज गुड्स, यू आर गोइंग टू मेंशन एज परचेज. Even in journal we used to take purchase. If sold goods we used to take sales. Like that, even in the cash book, whenever bought goods, purchased goods, sold goods, we are going to take, if sold goods, sales. Purchased goods or bought goods you are going to take as purchase. Paid rent, you're going to take just rent. You're not going to take as rent here in the cash book. You're going to take the rent. What it is done, rent. पेड सैलरी. इवन जर्नल एंट्रीज पे क्या करते थे, जैसे कि पेड सैलरी मीन सैलरी अकाउंट टू कैश, राइट? दिस इज़ अ कैश अकाउंट, कैश बुक. So you have to take the opposite one, that is nothing but salary, wages, stationery, electricity. इस तरीके से आपको ट्रांजेक्शन करना है. Okay, so here it's given as I said, inflow debit, outflow of cash, credit. Next, paid cash to Mr. Mohan. Paid is what? Cash is inflow or outflow? Paid is what? Cash is outflow. You're going to record in the credit side, that is nothing but Mr. Mohan. You're going to write the amount. Okay, so next, March 6, deposited into bank. Deposited money is inflow or outflow? Whenever you deposit money, the cash is going out. You're going to record in the credit side, bank account, that is nothing but amount 40,000. Okay, so amount 40,000. Next, paid for office furniture. Paid, cash is inflow or outflow? Cash is going out. Then you're going to record March 6th, that is nothing but you're going to, what was the transaction? Okay, office furniture. So you're going to record as what? Office furniture and amount 4650. Next is nothing but sold goods for cash. Sold goods for, whenever you're selling something, cash is going out or cash is coming in, that is nothing but cash is coming in. You're going to record sales, that is nothing but 30,000. As मैंने पहले ही बोला, जैसे कि whenever it is sold goods, you're not going to record as goods, you're going to record as sales. Even in journal we used to do the same. We were not recording as goods, sales. So यहाँ पर sales होने पर पैसा कैश इनफ्लो होता है. योर इनफ्लो आइटम, इनफ्लो कैश, यू आर गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड इन डेबिट. पेड वेजेस इन कैश. पेड मीन्स व्हाट? कैश इज गोइंग आउट. यू आर गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड इन डेबिट और क्रेडिट? क्रेडिट साइड, that is nothing but wages and amount. Next, paid for stationery. Paid for stationery, cash is coming in or going out? Paid, cash is going out. You're going to record in the credit side. Stationery, how much? 400. Money is outflow. March 15, sold goods for cash. Whenever you are selling something, cash is inflow or outflow? Cash is inflow. You're going to record in the debit side. That is nothing but 25,000. Okay, next here, paid for miscellaneous expenses. miscellaneous क्या होता है? जैसे कि लॉन्ड्री हो गया या टी कॉफ़ी, जो भी पेटी एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट miscellaneous expenses. So paid, cash is inflow or outflow? Cash is outflow. So you're going to take as miscellaneous expenses, that is nothing but 450. Okay, let me check, it's 450 or 400? Okay, it's 450. Next, receive cash from Mr. Trilok Chan. So यहाँ पर 4850, receive cash. Cash is inflow or outflow? Cash is inflow. That is nothing but 4850. Received cash. Cash is what? पैसे आ रहे हैं. Then जो भी पैसा आ रहा है डेबिट, एंड जो भी पैसा जा रहा है क्रेडिट. कैश आ रहा है डेबिट, कैश जा रहा है क्रेडिट. March 22nd, purchase goods. Whenever you purchase goods, cash is inflow or outflow? That is nothing but cash is outflow. You're purchasing goods, goods is coming in, cash is what? Outflow. Outflow transaction should be taken in the credit side. Purchase goods, you're not going to write as goods, you're going to write as purchase. How much is the amount? 2,500. You're going to record in the credit side. Next is nothing but paid salary. Paid means what? Cash is going out. If it was received salary, it was cash is coming in. If received salary means debit. Paid salary means you're going to record in the, if they have mentioned as paid salary, you're going to record in the credit side. March 22nd, salary amount. Next is nothing but paid rent. Paid, cash is coming in or going out? Cash is going out. Going out, cash is going out, you're going to record in the credit side. Expenses credit, income debit. इनका जो भी जैसे कि सेल्स हो या रिसीव्ड हो, you're going to record in the debit side. And credit side, paid या purchase, between the paid and purchase items and all, cash it will be going out. Depositing and all, cash it will be out. So you're going to record in the credit side. So paid electricity bill. Paid, you're paying for electricity bill. Electricity. So paid means what? Cash is, you're paying a bill, cash is what? Going out. So paid items you're going to record in the credit side. Electricity bill 3,500. As I said, even while starting, like whenever it is like paid electricity, you're not going to mention as paid electricity bill. ओके, लाइक पेड सैलरी मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू मेंशन एज सैलरी. जर्नल में आप क्या करते थे, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल अकाउंट टू कैश अकाउंट, राइट? सो कैश यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक एज कैश अकाउंट बिकॉज दिस इज अ कैश बुक. क्लोज फॉर कैश. Debit is what? electricity bill, you're going to post in the credit side. As I have discussed in my previous video with journal as well as this method, the inflow and outflow cash, जबकि आज मैं journal के हिसाब से आपको नहीं करा रही हूँ. Just I am explaining in the inflow and outflow of cash. So but you have to take just electricity bill. So that is nothing but if electricity bill, or if it is wages, then wages. If it is salary, then you are going to take salary. If it is paid rent, you are going to take just rent. If it is paid wages, you are going to take wages. इस तरीके से आपको यहाँ पर कैश बुक में मेंशन करना है. बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये कन्फ्यूजन रहता है कि कैश बुक में क्या व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट ऑन ईयर. सो इफ़ इट इज़ पेड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, यू आर गोइंग टू राइट एज electricity. Okay, don't write everything, just the what was done. Like electricity paid rent means rent, paid salary means just you have to write salary. Purchase goods means you're going to write just purchase. If it is sold goods, you're going to write as sales. Okay, all inflow of cash debit and all outflow of cash credit. जस्ट आपको इतना समझ में चले गया कि डेबिट इनफ्लो ऑफ कैश एंड क्रेडिट आउटफ्लो ऑफ कैश. दिस प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉल्व वेरी easy. This problem can be done. Okay, even the students they can keep the timer, like keep as like 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Within that time this problem it has to be this question it has to be solved. सो इस तरीके से टाइम मैनेजमेंट करके आप ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत जल्दी से यू कैन डू इट वेरी सून. Okay, next, paid advertisement and you're going to write as amount 400. Next is nothing but paid into bank. That is nothing but you're depositing into bank. Whenever you're paid into bank, your cash, it will be outflow. You're going to outflow transaction, you're going to record in the credit side. That is nothing but 25,000. Okay, now you have taken all the transaction. Now you have to check which side is more. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ मिला है 1,24,850. Okay, put the same amount here, 1,24,850, because here it is less. You're getting something around 98,250. Okay, tell me one thing, 98,250 is more or 1,24,850 is more? 98,250 is less, whereas 1,24,850 is more. Put the same amount here and minus from this. Okay, add all the item and minus from the higher amount, then you will get around 26,200 item. 200 अमाउंट. ओके, लेकिन जबकि मैंने एग्जैक्टली मैं आपको यहाँ पर नहीं बोल रही हूँ, जैसे कि यू माइट गेट लाइक 98,250 समथिंग. सो माइनस विद द हाई, दिस इज़ अ लेसर अमाउंट. द लेसर अमाउंट शुड बी माइनस विद द हायर अमाउंट शुड बी माइनस विद द लेसर अमाउंट. सपोज मान लो एक जगह पे आपको 10 रुपीज़ मिला है, एक जगह आपको 7 रुपीज़ मिला है. देन 10 - 7 व्हेन यू डू इट, आपको कितना बैलेंस मिलेगा, जैसे कि 3 रुपीज़. सो लाइक दैट यू आर गोइंग टू पुट द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑल्सो 10. जो हाइयर अमाउंट रहेगा यू आर गोइंग टू पुट द सेम, यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द सेम अमाउंट इन द ऑपोजिट साइड. जबकि आपको डेबिट साइड में ज़्यादा अमाउंट मिला है, सेम अमाउंट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इन द क्रेडिट साइड. देन ऐड द लेसर, ऐड दिस ऑल अमाउंट, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट 6850 प्लस 950 प्लस 40,000. ये सारे अमाउंट ऐड करके ये हाइयर अमाउंट से माइनस करना, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट 1,24,850. You will be getting a balance of 26,200. So that will be on the last day. You are going to start from the March 1st, right? Then what is the last date? That is nothing but March 31st. March का last date क्या होता है? March ये month का, that is nothing but 31st is the last day. So last date it will be what? Carried on. Okay, just you have to take inflow in cash debit side, outflow cash credit side. Paid, purchase, इसमें सब deposited into bank. यहाँ पर cash outflow होता है, आपको credit side लेना है. जबकि sales, received, इस सारे items में cash it will be inflow. You are going to record in the debit side. Okay, then you have to see which side is more, put the same amount in the opposite side. Whichever is lesser, a higher amount should be what? minus with the lesser amount, then you will get a balance. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you like my video, please give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.